Hello friends, welcome back to Python series. Python has a set of built-in functions that you can use on list. So let's see one by one the built-in functions performed on list. So first is append. Let's see the working of this function. Append adds an element at the end of the list. For example, here is my list and the elements are 10, 11 and 12. So using append function, you can append or add an element at the end of the list, and the element is 14. Just print your list. So here your element will be added at the end. Next function is clear. It removes all the elements from the list. When you use list or l.clear, so it will clear or remove all the elements from your list and it will generate an empty list. Next function is count. Count function is used to count and return number of occurrences of the passed element. Let's see, the elements are A, B, again B, then B or C. So let's count the occurrence of character B. So it will count the occurrence of your character 3 times. Next function is extend. For example, here are my list elements A, B or C in variable L1, and the next list L2 is D or E. So extends add the elements of a list to the end of the current list. For example, L1.extend L2. So it will extend your list with L2. Okay, we cannot print like this, so just extend your list first, then you can print your list 1. Now it will be displayed in extended form like this. Next function is index. Index function returns the index of the first element with the specified value. Let's check the index position of element B. Now print the index of B. So that is 1. So it will return the element with the specified index position. Next function is insert. Insert function adds an element at the specified position. For example, if you want to insert element B, or we can say X, at index position 2, okay, again we cannot use this function like this. First you have to insert the element in your list, then print your list L1. So here you can see X has been inserted at index position 2. Next is pop function. It removes the elements at the specified position. Index passing is optional. If index is not passed, then it will remove the element from last. For example, I am using here pop without passing an argument, so it will remove element from the last, that is C. You can also remove elements with index position 1. Next function is remove. Remove function removes the items with the specified value if you know which element you want to remove. So it will, okay, I am using here remove function, so we cannot use element with pop function. Here I am using remove, so you can use element. You have to use element name, that is A or C. Next function is reverse. Reverse function reverses the order of the list, and it does not create a new list. For example, lst1 or list1, reverse it and print your list. So here you can see your elements has been reversed. Next is sort function. It will sort the list in ascending order. To sort the list in descending order, we need to write L1 dot sort reverse equals to true. So here you can see, if you do not use reverse equals to true, so it will reverse your list, so it will sort your list in ascending order. Next is del function. You can use del function to delete list items, delete element from list variable from index position 1, so it will remove the list item at index position 1, that is B. Now let's see the working of copy function. There are two ways to make a copy using built-in function copy. Let's see how to copy list elements. For example, here are some elements. So using copy function, it will copy your list and store in new list variable. When you print your new list, so it will create a copy of your list. Another way to make a copy is to use list function. So using list function, we can also make a copy. Like this. So that's all about list built-in function. Thank you for watching the video.